안녕하세요. 오늘은 저희가 20년 전에 사놓은 집 한번 구경을 시켜드릴게요. 마음속으로 산 집이에요. 헐모사 비치라고 LA에서 가까운 곳에 있고요. LA 한인타운에서 남서쪽으로 한 3-40분쯤 떨어져 있는 곳입니다. 모래사장 바로 옆에 있고요. 한번 들어가 보겠습니다. 그리고 렌트하던 사람들이 오늘 나가서 좀 지저분해요. 양해 부탁드릴게요.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around.